Whoa, whoa, whoa. Colors are beautiful. Colors are extraordinary as they help add physically appealing features to everything around us, including houses. One great place you can find professionals capable of giving your house a splash of color with exceptional painting services is at Buildings and More online marketplace. Here on this marketplace, you will find more than just painters. You've got to see artists bringing life and personality to your walls. From cozy homes, cozy bedrooms to bustling offices, we've got the perfect color for every space. Your dream paint job is just a brush stroke away. We'll make it easy. Schedule a free consultation, choose your colors, and relax. Our skilled professional painters ensure a hassle-free, high-quality paint job every time. Ready for this now? Just visit our website at www.buildingsandmoreng.com. Sign up for free and order for a professional painter or painters.